Welcome to the Sprout Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a shipping method for specific product or collection using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful for products that need special shipping such as fragile, oversized or restricted item. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So to open hide shipping method, here we can choose the shipping methods. So here we can click on keep hide shipping method. So to configure the rule, we can give the rule name as hide express shipping for oversized products. Okay, so here the rule status is activated. So the shipping method here is express shipping. So we can give the condition, so that click on add condition and here click on product in cart or collection in cart, like that. Here I'm choosing product in cart. So here we can select the product. Here I'm choosing this. Okay, now click on select. Okay, so before that we can go to the online store and let's check for this product the express delivery is available or not. Okay, click on add cart and can remove it and click on checkout. Okay, here we can see there is standard shipping as well as express shipping. So go to the rule and here we can change the save. So click on save. Okay, now the rule has been created. Go to the checkout and let refresh if it is applied or not. Yeah, now the express delivery was hidden. Now only there is standard shipping for this product, that is black oversized t-shirt. So that's it. So this help you offer the right shipping option for different products and prevent customer from selecting delivery method that aren't suitable. So that's it. You have successfully hidden a shipping method for a specific product or collection using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.